Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Family Dollar, Lord. Went to Dollar General. Sorry about that, y'all. Went to Dollar General. And this week, y'all, is kind of slow. There's some deals out there, but there's not no good low out of pocket deals, that I can see, But there is some deals, and I'm bringing you these deals, okay? So the first thing that I got was the Swabbletail. The Swabbletail, it is $3, and there is a $1.50 digital coupon that is attaching, okay? All of these are digital coupon. You can either get this Swabbletail complete or the other Swabbletail, with the handle. You can get either one of those, all right? The next thing is the Tide Oxy Simple Pods. They are $2.95. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to this product. Also, y'all, I was trying to find the Downy, but the Downy, the vanilla with the citrus scent, that's the one that I'm looking for. Also, I went to the Family Dollar. The Dollar General that I went to, they was completely out. I usually see like maybe one or two, but they was completely out, y'all. Completely out. So then the next thing was this Chic Classic, the Sensitive. They have it in the men and the women. These are $4.50. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Also, there is another Chic that is, I think it is $5 and something cents, and the $3 digital is attaching to that too. I think that's what that is. I'm not for sure. Just make sure that you actually scan your products, okay? Because some of these prices, they say one thing, and then when you look on the shelf, it's another price because Dollar General is changing their prices. So start to pay attention when you're buying your items, okay? The next thing is the U by Kotex. These Security Ultra Thin. This is the 22 pads. They are $3.25. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The next thing is their Purex. The Purex is a 15 count. The 4-in-1 plus Oxy. The Purex is $2.75. There is a $1.75 off digital coupon that is attaching to this product, okay? Then the last thing I got was the Gain Fireworks. They are $3.95. There is a digital $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. You can either get the fireworks, you can get the Gain Flings is attaching to that, and then also the sheets. I believe the sheets. I think it's the 105 count sheets. I didn't see it none of them was in the store. They didn't have none in the store, but when I scanned the product, I think sheets came up in the coupon, but I know the pods, the flings, the Gain Flings, they actually attaching to that too. They are $3.95, but I decided to just go ahead and get the beads, okay? So, y'all, after she rung up all my items, I put in my number, all my digitals came off. My subtotal was $9.15. Yes, $9.15. But everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. There it is. There's the Tide Simply, $2.95, the digital. The Chic, $4.50, $3 digital. The Purex, $2.75, $1.75 digital. Suavitel $3, $1.50 digital. Kotex $3.25, $2 digital, and then the Gain $3.95 and the $2 digital. There is my subtotal, $9.15. You know, everybody's taxes is different. There is the total savings, $11.25. There's no paper, but we did get a digital, so I'm happy on that. I'm fine with. Yes, I was when I seen Sunday, to this morning, I looked at my account. I was like, yes, we got a digital. So y'all, after everything, just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss London's channel.